Hello students, we were studying lesson number 3, creating table in MS Word. So let's continue the lesson. So open your page number 26, applying shading. You can apply background color on table or an selected cell using the following steps. Yes, you can apply background color on the table also and on a selected cell also. So how can we apply this background color? By following these steps. Step 1, select the table or select the cells. If you want to select table or you want to select cells, then you have to select the cells. Step 2, click on the design tab. Then you have to click on the design tab. See this, here is design tab. You have to click on this. Step 3, click on the arrow next to the shading option on the table style group. A list of colors options appear. So like this, you have to click here, shading on the shading, and see this, there is a list of colors. Now step number 4, click and select the color of your choice, and in this list you have to click of your choice, the color you want to apply on background. The colors appears as the background of the table or the selected cells, and in this way the cell you have selected, on that background color will be changed. Applying table styles. Word provides many inbuilt table styles that let you quickly change the borders, shading, alignment and fonts in tables. So you can change the styles of or you can change the borders and shading and alignment of the you can change the font styles also in tables. You have to follow these steps for changing the styles. Step 1, select the table or click anywhere inside the table. Then so you have to click anywhere on inside the table. Click on the design tab. Then you have to click on the design tab. Here is design tab, you have to click on here. Click the more button in the table styles group to see all the table styles, and then you have to click more. Here is see this, you have to click here, and then the table group there will be more styles. Click and select the desired style. The style will be applied to the table. See, there are many designs and there are many colors. You can click on any design and color, then which you want to apply on your table, and the table will change in the same design and in the same style. So the lesson is completed here. Read the lesson again at least twice. Take care and complete your work also. Okay students, thank you.